Welcome to FaceToned by Studio Karma. We are going to focus on chin, jowls, turkey neck, and neck. So we are trying to lift it. And before we start, always a mirror in front of you so you can see the technique. You need to clean the skin, apply a serum to moisturize the skin and have elasticity. And then at the end of the workout, you will need an organic oil to apply for the massage. And let's start to dance at the rhythm of the music. Position the index finger, let's go. Circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change directions 2 times. And the other side. 1, 2. Relax. Slide the jaw when at work. Place the index finger and close the eyes and feel the resistance. Hold. Relax. Place the fingers, the index finger again, and blink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold. Let's do it again. Gentle resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold.
Just stay the same. No one can explain how feelings can stay. I'd like to know your name. Some risk it all, some play it safe, some wish they had what some call remains. It may be new, can be old. The longer it lasts, new things since it's been